Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Marilyn. So in today's video, we are actually gonna show you guys how I created this look using this new palette from Huda Beauty, and I use the Sapphire Obsessions. I'm gonna share with you guys how I created this look, and also make sure you are watching till the end because I will be announcing with you guys my new giveaway. So if you want to know more information about the giveaway, definitely stay till the end so you can get more information. And also at the end of this makeup tutorial, I'm gonna also share with you guys my thoughts about this palette, how I like it, and let's go ahead and show you guys how I created this look. So my thoughts about this palette. So this is actually the first time I purchased a Huda Beauty palette, and I'm hooked, you guys. So the retail price of this is $35 in Canadian, and I believe it's about $27 in the US. And this new eyeshadow palette in Huda Beauty is called Huda Beauty Obsession Eyeshadow Palette, and it's gonna be a limited edition based on the website. There's 5 different palettes. There's Topaz, which is the orange, purple for amethyst, green for emerald, red for ruby, and I got the sapphire, which is the blue one. So these eyeshadow palettes are packed with different selections. So she has some previous shades before, but this precious stone collections are highly pigmented, creamy, metallic, and duochrome shadows. I personally love the shades that comes in this palette. I'll definitely gonna show you guys the shades and the swatches. The packaging is very compact, and what I really love about this is it comes with this clear plastic, so it's very compact, so the palette won't like open and broke. So I really like that, and it's actually very smart, because compared to any other palette that I have, usually the cover is similar as the front of the package, but this one is actually very smart. They just put it transparent there instead of like printing another photos on the package. So I really like how they package this one, and it's actually very travel friendly. And let's talk about the pigment. These shadows are very pigmented, and it makes me want to get her other palettes because these are beautiful. It blends really amazing, though make sure when you use this, make sure you do your eye makeup first before your foundation, because there's fallout. I don't know with her other palettes, but this palette definitely have fallout, especially the silver one, which is in my inner eye here. This specifically had lots of fallout, so just be aware of that. So make sure you are doing your eye makeup first before your foundation. The other thing that I really like about this palette is you can actually create different makeup look. In terms of price, you can find a palettes that are a little bit bigger than this in like drugstore, which will cost you at least $20. So I don't mind the price. I really feel like this palette are really good investments. So if you are really interested to purchase it, definitely do so, because I'm blown away and I really like it. It's really high pigmented and it looks amazing. So the giveaway is very easy. I team up with 4 of my fellow beauty YouTuber here in YouTube and also in Instagram, and we are gonna give away all the new 5 Huda Beauty Obsession palettes. So make sure you are following 5 of us. There's some bonus way where you can get more points, so you can up your chances of winning this palettes. So, but I'll make sure to leave all the information down below and all the steps that you should follow to be able to qualify for this giveaway. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I really appreciate your support and your time watching my video, and I hope you like this makeup look, which I actually really enjoy and I really like how it turns out. So I hope you guys like it as well, and if you are interested to pick up this palette, I hope it helps you, and definitely make sure to also check out all my friends' video as well. And thank you guys again for watching, and we'll see you guys on my next video.